In this video, you will learn why Bitcoin got dropped so much and other coins such as Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum, Cardano and other top coins. I will share reasons why that happened, and also you will learn entry places where it's possible to open accurate entry points. And we start right now. My friend, my name is Yuri, top author on TradingView. I ask you to push like, subscribe and follow because you will get a lot of useful stuff on this YouTube channel. Let's start. First, as you can see, it is a list of instruments. What we will do in this video, I will check all of these top instruments and will show you good and accurate entry ideas where you can open trades. As you can see, we start from Ripple. After that would be Bitcoin and many other coins. Let's go. But first, take a look. About Bitcoin, as you can see, I told to most of the people in this video, it was April, as you can see, it was 19th of April, but I told to every person that follow me on Discord. And by the way, as you can see, I published that video inside in our Telegram channel. That's the reason why I recommend you to subscribe on our Telegram channel. Take a look here because you will get all updates and a notification about the most important stuff. Take a look. I told that Bitcoin will make second wave with huge possibility, and because of that we also inside in our VIP room, as you can see, it's our VIP room on Discord. As you can see, we closed our Bitcoin trade. It was 17th of April and price at that time was at 60,600. It was amazing. To be honest, we get out before all of this drop. And at this moment, as you can see, second wave had happened. Major question which most of the people ask me at this moment, is it a second wave down, or like is it a deep pullback, or is it a start of downtrend? And it's our goal of this video is to find out that. Let's go to top coins. Like first I will analyze Ripple, after that I will analyze Bitcoin. About Ripple, Ripple yesterday made perfect trap. To be honest, I also were trapped here, as many are followers. Sometimes something like this can happen, my friends. That's the reason something like this is example for you why you should set stop loss, because after that price dropped by 33%. But at this moment, Ripple opened to us opportunities that most of you wait for many days. Take a look. On a Ripple, as you can see, we have this huge volume accumulation. What does it mean? A lot of people build their position inside in this range. And if there would be pullback to this key area, key levels, this one or this one, that would be best ever place to open buy position. This area, like it would be the best to buy and hold on spot. Like maybe you would never find such place ever again. Also, sometimes there could be another way how we can open a trade. Let me show you Bitcoin example, because Bitcoin can show to us really one of the best example. Take a look. On previous time when Bitcoin made drop, take a look what they did. They did drop, real low, second wave down, pull back, trap, as you can see. Again, every person that opened buy position here, their stop losses were taken. After that, take a look what they do. Took stop losses of all bulls. After that, again, a lot of people that open buy position, again, their stop losses here and here. And only after that, as you can see, this beautiful trend line were broken, and only after that, uptrend had started. At this moment, as you can see, what we have at this moment, we have only, my friend, first drop and we have second drop. That means if there would be some beautiful patterns, for example, like there would be rise after that range, trap, real low, that would be best ever. That would be best ever idea to open buy on Ripple. That's why wait on one of these scenarios. Also, write please in a comment, would you like to get update when that pattern appear? Because if many of you really interested in that, if that would be beautiful picture, I promise I will record to you that picture and update in the future when I will find good and accurate entry point. Thank you. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin. But before, my friend, before we start Bitcoin, I would like to invite you to our crypto workshop that I'll do today. Why it's so important for you to join this crypto workshop? Because first, you will learn mistakes that 90% of people do and how to avoid them. Most of the people, for example, at this moment, because some people didn't use stop loss, they lost. I will teach you how to set stop losses and examples of that. Second, you will learn exactly step by step what you need to do to build a profession, because trading it's profession. You need to build a skill. And the third one, I will show you 2 strategies. And the most important, I will show you a strategy that works when price dropping. Example for you, take a look on Discord. On previous week, we sent one trade. It was about, take a look, one trade about CTK. Take a look how price broke 47% down. And that I will share on crypto workshop for free. That's why join and be happy. Let's go to Bitcoin. About Bitcoin, as you remember this one, it would be the perfect. But will it happen at this moment? We should will it happen? Difficult to say. At this moment, what I think and what I expect that with huge possibility, Bitcoin will make at least a pullback into this area. As you can see, take a look on this huge support area. Price bounced here, and also as you can see, it was a resistance here. And also it is moving average 21 on weekly chart. As you can see at this moment, what I can tell you, my friend, at this moment, I think that we have next scenarios on Bitcoin if you're looking for entry for uprise. First one, if that would be something like here, that would be, let's open lower time frame. What that would be? That would be pullback. That would be something like pullback, trap. After that would be beautiful trend line and price will break it. That would be first scenario that I'm looking for. It would be first. Second scenario, my friend, that price would hit one of these key levels and that would be false breakout. I mean, one of these key levels, take a look. I would like to delete everything from a chart. I mean, take a look here. Trend line, and I mean this area. If the price will hit this area from 43 to 41,000, I think in that area it would be awesome to open some position. That's why one of these scenarios would be useful. Write in a comment what do you think about these 2 scenarios. Will you follow it, and would you like to get an update in the future about that? Let's go to other top coins because for you I think it's also important to see what's going on. Take a look. About Ethereum, as you can see, Ethereum also made this trap and this huge down drop, but Ethereum didn't do a real low if you compare to all other coins. And Ethereum, take a look, the biggest volume were here at the bottom. It's good because it shows to us that someone bought and stopped dropping. At this moment, I also would wait for some trend line breakout pattern, and after that, I would be happy to open a trade on Ethereum. It's nearly the same as it happened. Take a look here. Take a look. They also here, they show to us trend line breakout. Take a look. If there would be nearly something like that on Ethereum, it also would be possible to trade it. The next one, BNB. Take a look. Binance Coin, completely different if we compare it to all other coins. Binance Coin is only one coin that didn't drop, and at this moment, it's only one coin that in green area have green candle. What I think is that Binance team, they hold the price of this coin. And I would wait for some clear pattern on BNB, because let me share with you some examples of BNB, of some trades that we share with all our followers. Take a look even here. When BNB will share something like this trade, take a look from this to this. By the way, Binance rose up nearly 20%. If there would be new pattern, new clear pattern for some breakout, I would become bullish. For example, let me share with you some example, like take a look here. Remember when I published an idea on TradingView about this range, after that price squeeze and broke it. Take a look they rose up so many. At this moment, I wait also for something like that. If there would be, for example, two scenarios. If there would be some trend line, it would possible, or there would be key level and squeeze into that level. There also could be breakout. But BNB at this moment looks best beyond all of them. Cardano, my friends. Cardano yesterday, as you can see, didn't broke this trend line. They made only this fake out. And at this moment, take a look what's going on. At this moment, Cardano, take a look. Cardano coming back. And I also wait for some better picture. Take a look. Cardano finally, they broke this local trend line. And my friends, also take a look, the biggest volume at bottom. Take a look. It was 138 millions were traded inside in this 1 hour candle at bottom. I like it. At this moment, I would be happy if there would be trend line breakout on bigger time frame. I would be happy to open buy. Write in comment, do you have any trade on Cardano? If yes, I will do update. Maybe on Sunday I will record clear update on separate on TradingView. And I will publish update into Telegram channel. I recommend you to be there. Dogecoin. Dogecoin, my friends, take a look. Dogecoin made the biggest drop beyond all other coins. As you can see, Doge drop since its high, even this local high, 63%. At this moment, to be honest, I don't like Doge. Take a look how they, this trend line, take a look how they broke it in the night. At this moment, major question, will be there fake out and drop or not? I personally out of Doge at this moment and don't recommend you to trade it. Take a look, DOT, take a look on this trap. Take a look real low. DOT, take a look. To be honest, I like DOT. If we compare it with other coins, take a look on this huge volume. I would be happy if DOT will make a real low, because take a look, it would be this key level. If there would be a real low, that could be really beautiful trade. Real low of or trend line could be really beautiful trade. Remember that on many videos I told that DOT, after this trap, there would be even a bigger drop. As you can see, that really happened. And at this moment, there's nothing to do on DOT. Litecoin, the same. As you can see, dropped, huge volume here. And also, as you can see, the biggest volume here. What about this one? First, pull back to moving average to 21 on weekly chart. It's also good stuff. At this moment, remember that all of them are still below their support levels. That means at this moment, I wouldn't, I personally don't want to trade it, because only if there would be some range here, I would open buy position. Link also, as you can see, biggest volume at bottom. I like it. If there would be real low trend line breakout, I will trade it. And the last one, Uni. To be honest, Uni completely different. Uni didn't do real low, as you can see. Biggest volume, as you can see, also at bottom. For me, Uni looks the best beyond all of them. If there would be some trend line, I would be happy to trade it. Pay attention to Uni, my friend. At this moment, remember that we have also a lot of lessons on our YouTube channel. Watch them. Ask your questions in comments. Thank you for your time. Bye.